Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, pull the release inside. Find the secondary safety release under your hood. On our Civic, we've got two spots we can put the prop rod. You can put it here, or you can put it in the service position, open it further. We're going to use that one. I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery before I start touching anything. This is a 10mm on this car. Just loosen it up. And just put this aside. After the negative terminal has been disconnected, use a 12mm wrench to remove the positive terminal. This terminal is live, so try not to touch the wrench to any other metal while you're removing it. This is just on here in the plastic. Pull the cable over. I spray some rust penetrant on here, because they're a little rusty. Using a 10mm deep socket. So if the deep socket isn't deep enough, you can just take a ratcheting wrench or a box wrench, whatever you have handy. You don't have to loosen them off fully. Oh, and that one popped out. So once they're loose enough, you can kind of move this around. Like this one popped out of the little hook. So now it's unhooked. Then you can maneuver this one. Take the whole bracket and mount out. There's plastic cover on here. You can just pull that off and then reach in. Probably want to wear some gloves. These batteries can have acid on them. Just pull it right out and put this aside. There's a third bolt down here that's hidden by the battery. With the battery out, we can get to it. It's 10mm. Use the 10mm socket and ratchet to remove it. Now I'll remove this one up here. Remove this 10mm bolt on the back side. There's a plastic cover on the ECU. It's got two little tabs here. If it's kind of loose, it'll pop right out. Slide the cover off. And we're going to just gently pull this over. There's three connectors, they're locked, so you got to kind of push in the lock and then pull this open like that at the same time. It'll kind of push it off. Do this for all three of them. Pull the ECU right out. Reinstall the ECU. You can't really mess up the connectors because they don't reach, so they only go where they reach. Try to push them on evenly. Get them kind of close, and then these little bars are going to go in and catch pins that are each side of the connector. And as you do that, they're going to lock in place. Those are locked into place. Position it on the bracket. Don't forget to reinstall the plastic cover. It just slides over. And it's got these two little tabs are going to go in here. That's going to sit like that. Now you can reinstall the bolts. You have to move it around a little bit. Get it started. Just get it tight, and then a little quarter turn more should do it. The ECU is reinstalled. Now we're going to reinstall our battery. If you have the plastic cover, now you reinstall it. Get the battery tie down and the hook's attached, so you can reach down, hook this in, kind of jump away, just like that. Do the same for this side. Use our 10mm deep socket, tighten these. Reinstall the positive terminal. Yours might look different. This car has had the terminal replaced, but the idea is the same. Put that over there, back open down there. Take a 12mm, tighten this up. You don't have to over tighten these, just tighten it and then give it a good tug, make sure it doesn't wiggle or come loose. You can kind of see how they bend as they tighten. Take our negative terminal. Just go back on here. Tighten this one up. This is a 10mm. There's a possibility that the original positive terminal is also a 10mm. Make sure that's nice and tight. The battery is replaced. When you're all done, just close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.